Just got out the shower and now we're about to switch into the robe so that we can do our skincare, we can do our hair, and just prepare for the week. Alright, so we got our robe on. Now it's time to do the do. I think I'm gonna start with my hair first, just so I can get it out the way. I washed it and now it's ready to be styled. I'm going to be using some of my go-to products, so this Long Lux leave-in as well as this As I Am. Hair is all done and we are ready to move on to our face. Here are the products I'm going to be using. I'm going to be starting off with the Native face wash and then following up with mask as well as a cucumber bar. And then I'm going to go in with the serum and the moisturizer, the toner, and finishing off with the oil because this is a little drying, and so I like to use, or the moisturizer is a little drying, so I like to use the oil with it as well. And then I'm also going to be using my steamer here as well as a face brush. And so I'm using the Native face wash, brightening facial cleaner, citrus and bergamot. You can see the steam coming up now, so I'm going to use this in tandem. I'm going to rinse this off and I'll be back. Right now I'm using my cucumber bar on my skin, and this will just help re-tighten my pores since I just steamed before doing the mask. And I don't usually use the whole thing, but I have a video on my Instagram if you want to see how to make these. So now that we're done with that, I need to rinse this off before putting on the mask. Okay, I wish you could feel my face. It's like frozen. So this is a Trader Joe's mask and it says overnight, but it also says like for sensitive skin to only do for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna do for 10 minutes instead of the overnight because I do have sensitive skin. So just apply like you would, a generous amount it says. And then this is the charger. So once we're done with our face, we're gonna start using this. Alright, skincare complete.